Hi, welcome to Alyssa Math. In this video, we are going to learn about the kinds of slope. What is slope? Slope is a measure of incline of a line. For explaining the kinds of slopes, for each kind, I will going to take one example before explaining the kind of slope. So here we go. Find the gradient and y-intercept for the equation, and here we have the equation 3y is equals to minus 9x plus 1 5. Now I'm going to take this 3 to the other side, dividing with both the values 9x and 15. So this 9 will going to cancel. 3 times give you 9, and 5 times give you 15. So here our value now is minus 3x and plus 5. Coefficient in front of x is our slope and 5 is a y-intercepting point. So here the slope we have is negative slope. Now what is a negative slope? So negative slope means a line is coming downhill, getting declined, moving down from left to right in this way. And always the negative slope have the value in negative, so that this is always less than 0. For the negative slope, change in y value can be positive and change in x value can be negative. And another way, change in y value can be negative and change in x value can be positive. So here we have the equation. What is the equation? Y is equals to minus 3x plus 5. So how to plot a graph for the negative slope? First, we have to find out the y-intercepting point. The first point that we needed, that is a y-intercepting point that is crossing the y-axis. So here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our first point. This is the first point where the line is going to be intersect. Now, how it will be getting declined, going downward from left to right. For that, we need to see the slope value. Here, our slope is minus 3 over 1. Here, rise is minus 3 and run is 1. So slope is always in fraction. So now what we'll do, that is minus 3. So when the value is in negative, we'll go down. So 3 times I go down, 1, 2, and 3. This is the third one. And our run is positive, so we are going to move towards the right. This is our another point. This is the line that shows us that is have a negative slope. How? Because this line is getting declined and moving from left to right. Moving on to another example, that is y-intercept of a line is minus 3 and line is parallel to 2x minus y is equals to 0. Find its equation. So first, what we have, the one line we have in the graph that is intersecting at minus 3, and the line is parallel to the 2x y is equals to 0, and one more line in the graph that is parallel to this line. Here in this question they are asking find its equation, so I'm going to solve this equation. 2x minus y is equals to 0. So I change this equation into slope-intercept form. I place this minus y to the other side, so it turns to positive. So our slope-intercepts form equation is y is equals to 2x. So here I'm going to plug in the y-intercept value here. So our equation is now y is equals to 2x minus 3. Now in this equation, our slope is this and y-intercept is this. So here our slope is positive. Here we have the positive slopes. So for the positive slope, the line is uphill incline like this. moving upward from left to right. So it moving upward from left to right. And the slope for positive we get always is more than zero. As you know, we can explain the slope by this change in y value and change in x value. So here, if our change in y value and change in x value both in positive form or both in negative form, the slope we get from both these change in y and change in x, we get always positive. Now moving to the graph. This for this graph we have slope-intercept equation is y is equals to 2x minus 3. So here our y-intercepting point is minus 3. So this is our first point. And now for plotting the line of equation, we need to first find out another point for that point to the slope. So here in this slope-intercept equation, we have slope is 2 over 1. 2 is rise and 1 is run. So here, this is our first point, and in the equation 2 times rise 1 and 2 times rise. So and run is positive that we are going to move towards right. So this is our second point of intersecting point. So I drew this line by crossing these 2 points. So if you can see this line is getting uphill, getting inclined, and is moving from left to right. So this is a positive slope. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.